Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to get Autodesk Sketchbook onto your iPad. I think most of you already know how to download apps, but we're going to make sure, I just want to go through the process with you to make sure everyone has the same app and knows how to get it on there. So on your iPad, you're going to be looking for your self-service. You see the self-service right there? And you're going to open that. Okay. And then once you're in self-service, okay, it looks kind of like this. And down at the bottom here, there's a home button and then something else and then a search. So you're going to want to hit the search. And up here, you can type in Autodesk Sketchbook. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. So right here, clicking on that, and then I'm going to put AUTODESK space SKETCHBOOK. Okay, and as you're looking it up, you will see this picture pop up. Okay, and this is the correct app that you want to do. And then right over here, it's going to say install, or if you already have it on your computer, it might say reinstall. Either way, you're going to click that button. Okay, and if it comes up and tells you a little bit about it, that's fine. I'm going to hit reinstall. Then I get a pop-up that says, do you want to reinstall it? You just reinstalled it. And so it wants me to cancel that action. But anyways, it will install for you. And then when you go back to your page, hopefully it'll show up down here, but it might not because I think mine's showing up down there because I recently used it. So I have mine put in my art apps folder here. So I have my art apps here. So if I open up my art apps, you can see my Autodesk Sketchbook. And if I click on that, then you get a screen that looks much like the screen that you saw in the video with all the brushes and pencils over here and your different tools up at the top. And then your layers over on this side. And now remember that this is all reversed because it is on a video that I'm shooting. So once you have it, go ahead and start playing around, take a pencil or a paintbrush and, play around with the different colors on your palette here that you can get and mess around with the different lines and brushes that you can make. And by the end of the week, I'm going to ask you to turn in an artwork that you do on here. So play around with it for the first few days and then come up with a plan to create something. It's just going to be a simple something of your choosing that you want to try messing with on here, and then we'll get more structured after this week. But I want you to spend some time this week getting to know Autodesk Sketchbook. Okay? And that is all I have for you.